How to DM someone on Discord. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to DM someone on Discord. In order to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and update your application. For that, open up a Play Store. On the search box, type in Discord, and instead of open, if you see update, meaning that you'll have to update the application for the latest version. After you're done updating your application, click the open button and then log in into your Discord account. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, and right on this page, go ahead and tap the arrow icon from the top left hand side corner or the tab bar icon. So in order to DM someone on Discord, it's very simple. First thing, you'll have to select the particular user to whom you actually want to send a message. So all you have to do is, when you open up the particular user's profile, just tap on the profile once again, and under it you'll be able to find the button as message. So click on the message button. As soon as you do that, it's going to direct you to the chat page. So over there you can go ahead and type in what sort of message that you want to give it to this following contact, and basically that's how you can DM someone on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.